Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Alizia Farhan, and today I'm gonna tell you that how you can change your WhatsApp chat background with different colors or image like your pictures. And today I will also tell you that how you can save your messages even if you're changing your phone or something else. You will not lose your data, your messages. You can restore your messages and you can save. Now let's start our video, and it's my humble request from you that please kindly like my videos and subscribe my channel. And now I'm gonna tell you that how you can save your messages backup and how you can change your pictures on your chat wallpaper. Okay. Now I will go to the settings and account setting. Okay, we'll tap on chat setting. First I will tell you about chat backup. Now you can tap on backup to your Google Drive daily. If you will select daily now, you will save automatically your data, and now you can backup. Okay, now wallpaper. Firstly I will choose solid colors. Okay, you can choose this purple like magenta color and red, and you can also use this. And here, this is just, I love this color. And now I will go to my gallery. I open the pictures from my gallery and mm, I will select which one. I select this one. Okay, now you can see in your chat. This is done. You can change pics whenever you want. You can change colors, and in my next video I will tell you that how you can hide from someone that you see her straight